through nights that held no hope and felt so all alone. I have seen how much a life can change with the ringing of the phone. But God knows what you're looking for. He cares, He loves, He sees. And you can call the power of heaven down by getting on your knees. I believe that there's a place to go where we can leave the burdens that we bear. I believe that we can walk into the throne room and be heard by one who cares. I believe that any time we call upon the name of Jesus, He is there. I believe He truly knows our hearts. I believe in prayer. When the world that you're surrounded by treats you less than kind, and no matter how you search for peace, confusion's all you find. But there is still a source of hope that you cannot ignore. Just pick up the broken pieces and bring them to the Lord. I believe that there's a place to go where we can leave the burdens that we bear. I believe that we can walk into the throne room and be heard by one who cares. I believe that any time we call upon the name of Jesus, He is there. I believe He truly knows our hearts. I believe in prayer. Sweet hour of prayer, sweet hour of prayer that leads me from a world of care. I believe that any time we call upon the name of Jesus, He is there. I believe He truly knows our hearts. I believe in prayer. I believe He truly knows our hearts. I believe